I am utilizing the Bid Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bid Integration Dashboard. Create integration. Search and select Divi Engine as a trigger. Click the Fetch button, go to the form page, and submit the form to retrieve it. Form submitted successfully. After submitting the form, the Divi engine has been successfully fetched. I will now change the field types for the email and phone numbers. Set action. Search and select an action constant contact. Give here the client ID and the client secret. So please visit the constant contact application. New application. Give here a meaningful application name. Choose your refresh token type. Create. Please edit it. Provide a redirect URI, copy it from your Bid Integrations dashboard, and paste it on the constant contact site. Copy the client ID and paste it on the integration site. Generate client secret. Copy the client secret, close and save it. Now go to your integration site and paste it. Authorize it. Allow access. Authorization is successfully done. Next. Choose your desired source. Map the respective fields. Here are some advanced features you can use, including action and conditional logic for your requirements. Next. Finish and save it. Let's submit a form. Submit the form. Now go to your constant contact site and navigate to all contacts. Here, you can see that Constant Contact has successfully received the data. Thanks for watching.